Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back with me, Angga Pratama Muhammad. And here I would like to share how to make your browser load a website faster, especially when you access Spada or OCW. And first of all, you need to download Opera GX, or you can use any other browser like Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and etc. But if you use another browser instead of Opera GX, you need to download a third application to apply a VPN. If you already have all of it, then let's get started. So as you can see here, I already opened my Opera GX corner. Opera GX, and then we enter the URL, and on this case we will open Spada. And as you can see, it took some time to load the browser, and it took several minutes, I guess. And then what you're gonna do about it, you just need to press this button, this VPN button. If you're using Opera GX, press it and then switch it to on, and then you wait for several seconds, about 10 seconds, and then after that you can change it to Asia or optimal location, but I prefer to use Asia. Okay, when the color changes to blue, it means that your VPN already active. You can try it by reload the page, and it will load faster, as you can see. And then you log into your Spada. See, it much faster. It will help you when you gonna do assignment in Spada, or maybe you need to check your attendance on the OCW, or I think that's all. I hope. Oh yeah, by the way, it is safe. I mean, like when you use VPN, you will lose nothing, like none of your data are gonna be stolen. Yeah, I think that's all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and give some comment down below. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.